Okay, so you've spotted a red flag. The ID looks weird. The SSN comes back as deceased. Now what? Don't panic. And please, don't try to be a hero and detain the guy or gal. We follow a simple process: detect, respond, mitigate. First, detect. Verify what you're seeing. Ask for a second form of ID. Ask them a challenge question that only the real customer would know, like the amount of their last monthly payment. If they get defensive or suddenly remember, they left their wallet in the car and need to leave. That's detection. Second, respond. If you can't resolve the issue, do not open the account. Do not issue the new card. Stop the transaction. Politely tell the customer, "I'm sorry, but because of federal security regulations, I need some more information before we can proceed." You don't have to accuse them of being a criminal. Blame the rules. Then, notify your manager or your compliance officer immediately. We need to log this event. Finally, mitigate. This means stopping the damage. This might involve closing the hacked account, assigning a new account number, or changing passwords and security codes. If you detect identity theft or fraud, your manager will determine the next steps. Depending on your organization type, this might involve filing specific reports with regulatory agencies, like a Suspicious Activity Report (SAR) if you are a financial institution. But that is a management decision. Your job is to stop the immediate bleeding and raise the alarm.